I wanted to just say, in case I didn't mention it earlier, that it was 14 degrees last night in Cedar City. 14 degrees was the low last night. Tonight's low is going to be 37 degrees, and I'm close enough to Laverkin. That's what's coming up on my weather. A lot warmer tonight than it was last night. I was really freaked out that everything in my van was going to explode because it got frozen, but as far as I know, everything survived. Good morning! I've been up for a little bit and I'm now getting ready to go drive into Zion National Park. I've got a little bacon egg biscuit and some Thai tea, so I'm set to go, and I'm leaving the Walmart. That's where I stayed the night last night and heading out. Okay, let's get to it. We made it. Postcards! You know I had to get postcards. So I got the Narrows. I think it's Collab Arch. Very nice. I won't be going to it because it's 14 miles round trip. Then the Collab Canyons, and there's a cabin that's a 5-mile hike. And then the Watchman and the Virgin River. I think this is more on the inside of the park, as well as Angel's Landing. So here we are. Here is the scenic drive that I'll be going down, and there is a 1-mile hike at the end of it. Oh wait, never mind. That's Zion Canyon. So I'm at the Collab part of the park, and there is a hike, a 1-mile hike down here at the end that I'll probably do. So I'll drive to the end, do a hike, and then drive back out and go over to this area, which I think I can only get to by bus. I have to take a bus through, but I'm not sure. I will find out when I go over there. And of course, I got the Junior Ranger book. Yay! From age 4 and older. I am in this group. As you can see, I am proudly displaying my Great Basin one. Alright guys, let's head into the park! Woo! I do want to show off this America the Beautiful pass that I've got here. It's got sparkly night sky. It's so pretty. It is really cold outside and super windy, so I'm going to drive into the park and hope that it's not too bad. But yeah, it's kind of cold outside. I'm gonna go on the Timber Creek Overlook Trail. Apparently there's some jackrabbits and it's a 1-mile round trip. The wind isn't so bad in this area, so I am happy. Must be this ridge over there. It's blocking all the wind from when I was at the visitor center. This is a beautiful park. I love it. I'm kind of towards the end of the trail. I'm going to turn back and go maybe do part of the 5-mile trip, 5-mile hike, and then go into the southern part of the park. I just passed by some BLM land that I can camp at. I'm probably still about 17 miles outside of Springdale on Highway 9, but It looks like there's some designated BLM land with people camping out there. Okay, this is a little confusing. I didn't realize I was gonna have to pay for parking. So there's some signs as you drive into Springdale that are say like parking lot is full, park on this street, park on that street. And then as you drive down Route 9, there's all these parking meters alongside the road, and it looks like you just park alongside the road and then go to the nearest bus stop and hope that a bus picks you up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have no idea how much the parking is, but I'll let you know. And they said it's about an 80-minute trip on the bus. So that's what I'm gonna try and do right now. And yeah, let's go. All right, so I just found out there's two different shuttles. There's the Springdale shuttle, and I parked in the Springdale side. So I have to walk all the way up here to get to the Zion shuttle area. So FYI, before you come to Zion, probably drive all the way to the visitor center before you park. This is ridiculous. I should have done this, but I paid for my spot already. I am here. And that's to get into the park. And that's to go into the park. Every 10 to 15 minutes. So maybe... Oh, here's one. Yay! Hopefully.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good, thank you.
I made it into the park. And now I have to go catch the other shuttle that takes you into the park because I was on the one that only goes to the visitor center.
And future generations to make lasting memories.
And created a flash flood.
This is 25.
It has some of the most prized climbing terrain in the world. These big wall climbs, as they're known, are not for beginners. We use ropes, harnesses, and other special gear to get up the walls.
There's a ranger talk. Looks like they're looking for stuff. They've all got binoculars.
Inside and in front of us is Angel's Landing. You look way up there on your right and in front of us, right in the tree line up there, you'll see a lot of hikers. That is the Angel's Landing trail, right?
As we go around.
Really?
Yeah, the baby. You'll see his tush. See that pointy rock here? Follow it down as we go around. You'll see his tush.
Okay.
Oh, you just see his tush. Yeah.
One guy right in this groove, he runs to go by, a little bit behind of us, so we got some ahead of us. When that happened that time of day, but we had a bunch of hikers in the middle and in the back of the canyon. That rock slide was so severe that it closed the whole canyon. So we could not get them hikers out of there. We had to go down to the National Guard, rent a helicopter, and come up here and pluck them out of there one by one. Those lucky ducks got to right on the end of the rope with the ranger.
I made it back and I'm walking down to the van. Hopefully nobody's been by in the last 5 minutes because I'm only a couple minutes late. And I'm gonna go try and go into the park now because I talked to the parking dude and he said that around 3 o'clock it starts emptying out. So the visitor center is the only place that you can park for free. I made it into the visitor center. Only a couple people yelling at each other, and they even blocked the entrance into the parking lot. But I just went around it because I knew people had been leaving. So I found a spot and I'm gonna go inside and check it out. It closes at 7 and it's around 3:30 right now. So got some time to explore.
still fairly constant, right? So these are great conditions for life. You go down to the rainforest and you'll just see tons and tons of plants, all sorts of different animals. You'll see plants that grow on plants, plants that grow on animals, right? So the rainforest is going to have a much higher degree of biodiversity. But Zion is pretty special in terms of its biodiversity here within this desert of Eden. Because of the range of elevation that we have here in the park, right? We've got, let's see, our lowest elevations are below 4,000 feet. The highest elevations in the park go up over 8,000 feet. So this range of
I found out that this bush is probably called rabbit bush, and it's in bloom right now. So that's what I've been seeing everywhere, I think. Right now I'm making some noodles, and then I'm gonna go drive on the east side of the park. There's this special tunnel system that I'm gonna drive through, and then I'll head back through Springdale and find camping over on the BLM land that I passed by earlier today. And tonight I will fill out the Junior Ranger book so that I can get my badge first thing in the morning. Yay! And then I might do a hike tomorrow in the park. And then I'll be meeting up with some friends. So busy, busy, busy. All right, let's get going. I stopped here at the Checkered Mesa. It's right there, that big thing. I stopped at the Checkered Mesa to eat my dinner, and now I'm gonna go back through all of those tunnels. The first one was pretty scary because it was so long. And then I'm gonna go find camp. Some minor congestion. I think we're about to get into one of the tunnels, and as you can see, the parking is like pretty horrendous. It's because of this sheep up here. That's what everybody's freaking out about, is this bighorn sheep. Everybody's got it. Oh, and they're on the other side of the road too. Oh, hey guys. You know you're in a national park when this is happening. Hey guys. There's more. There's so many. Bye. That was so cool. I got to see the sheeps. They're bighorn sheeps. I was afraid I was gonna miss them. I don't know what just happened, but going back through that big tunnel again, there was this guy with a trailer and he was honking. And so then other people were honking, and I was like, what is going on? I don't know why you're honking. Because it's already a really scary business. So everybody had their headlights on that I could see, and he was just getting into the tunnel. So I don't know, but really freaked me out. So, ooh, that's fine though. Okay, I think this might be my camp for tonight. It's a little wonky. Need to straighten out my tires. It's busy over there. There's a little dip down and a bunch of people are camped there. Yeah, and that's Highway 9, and I just passed through the town of Virgin, so I'm on the west side of Virgin. It's pretty cool. I like it down here. Not too bad of roads. And there's some places that you can't camp, but I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching another vlog of mine. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do down below and leave a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Stay curious.